Just another night in California. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos.
Fire Read for the tablet. I am very happy for it. Now I can do my schoolwork. Thank you. It is very nice.
True Jamaican vibes, Fire Read. Welcome back, guys. Welcome to the channel. If you don't know, the tour guide Fire Read. You know, in Jamaica, a lot of persons kind of scared for driving in certain areas in Jamaica. So, give a little knowledge about Jamaica driving and stuff for it, you know. I want to say in Jamaica, you drive on the road, just take your time and drive. Don't make nobody haste up you. Just take a little time, people. Yeah, man. Because a lot of persons scared for drive and even Spurtree Hill. So right now, where I'm at right now, I'm at Spurtree Hill right now. So I'm taking my little time. No speed. So you gotta look out for all those taxi drivers. Most of them are always in a haste. So you have to be careful of the taxi drivers. Them some road users them always in a haste. So just look out for them. So right now where I'm at, just at the bottom of Spurtree, taking my time. Because you know it's Spurtree, it's a very dangerous road. Some people would say it's not a dangerous road, it's the driver. But to my experience, Spurtree is a very dangerous road. Just take your time, approach with caution. As you can see, I do daily content of driving in Jamaica, different areas in St. Elizabeth and Manchester. And taking all those tours, I have to be very cautious on the road. About 30 miles per hour at times. So that's the way how I do it in Jamaica. Always wear a seatbelt. Always use your rearview mirror. Always use your mirror also when overtaking. Always use your signals. On Spurtree Hill, always a lot of traffic. For once a big unit I go up Spurtree Hill, gonna be a lot of traffic, and that's good for us same way, so we can take the time on the road and once we see the traffic. And on Spurtree Hill, that's where you find most fast car guys. That's where they test out them car and see how much horsepower them can get up the hill. So you have to look out for that. Because some guys, you know, when they say them a drive on the road, and once they reach Spurtree and they have a fast car, they say that's the way how they're gonna tell you how fast their car is, by climbing Spurtree. So yeah, man, so always remember to tune in to Fire Read. If you're just new to my channel, you can subscribe, like, share and subscribe. A lot of places to go in Jamaica. Because of the pandemic, persons cannot get to come home to visit their sweet Jamaica. So I will take in the time out to show you some different areas in Jamaica. I cannot do every areas in Jamaica because we all know Jamaican people and everybody like the camera upon them, so on a few areas we can do the same way. Not saying, you know, everybody have a different spirit. So you just have to work with the flow. Yeah man, so just enjoy the ride up Spurtree Hill. And also Spurtree have a very deep corner. That's where you find most of the trailer trucks. And once they reach a corner, you always find them turn over because of the road, terrain, and maybe the unit can develop mechanical problems too. So, well, to me, it's a very dangerous road. A lot of persons are driving with caution, and things do happen at times. So anyone from overseas, if you want to come to Jamaica and drive in Jamaica, yes, you can do it. Just take your time. Don't make no one push you. Just take your little time and do what you have to do. Always use your signals, as I say.